Evening, third grade artists. We are about to do, I'm going to show you how to do a paper towel roller print. And I don't know if you have these materials. Do the best you can. You can work with 2 bathroom tissue rolls that you put together and maybe tape it to make it a little wider. If you have a paper towel roll, that's best because it's going to be the size of the paper. You just need a long strip of paper. This could hang in your room. It could be a banner. I did one, and now I'm going to do another one. It's very faint, but it's line work, and it was made from a paper towel with yarn wrapped around it. So anything you have that's like line-like. This is yarn. This is a pipe cleaner. That's another kind of line. These are circular lines, rubber bands. You could use that. You could use rope. You could use twine. Anything you have that has line to it. So I'm going to start by writing my name on a long strip of paper. If you don't have a long strip of paper, you can tape a few together, like maybe 4 papers together. I had a long piece in my house. I found it. Write your name, dot 3, whatever third grade you're in. That's the end of the marker work. Now just start wrapping. I'm going to try this yarn. It's very thick. Take off a chunk and wrap. And this is the line. It's going to be a line print. I'm wrapping, and it doesn't have to be even. I could tape it. Now I'm going to tie it. I'm tying a knot, so I'm like kind of grabbing it at the end. You know, just so it stays. Tie a knot here. Knot. The knot makes a nice bump too. Now I'm going to try some of this rope and crisscross it. Intersect your lines. I'm going to make that more of a knot. This is rope. Going to meet it where I started it and do a knot. Just be very free with it, but you want to crisscross your lines on the tube, any kind of tube. Here's some thick rubber bands I had, whatever you've got in the house. Here's some thin rubber bands. So this is part 1, and then we will come back to do part 2 for the printing. Just want to make sure I have a nice, see my thin and thick lines? I'm going to try some twine. This is called preparing our roller printer. Preparing it. Okay, I'm crisscrossing, intersecting lines. Tuck it somewhere and make a little knot to hold it. Trim it if you want to. You don't have to. Every which way. Just make lines every which way. Okay. This is part 1. So name on the paper and find some lines in your house